Hey everybody, welcome to Sweden. For the next 4 days I am exploring Stockholm and the islands surrounding Stockholm. As you may or may not know, Stockholm is part of an archipelago, which means there's a lot of little islands and a lot of water, and it's overall very beautiful. I thought Sweden was going to be really cold, so I brought a lot of sweaters, I brought jackets, but I'm here in the middle of a heat wave. The Swedish government actually put out a warning to the population, just warning against these crazy hot temperatures. It's pretty much like hitting almost 90 degrees Fahrenheit every day, which I believe is unconventional for Sweden. Stockholm is often called the world's smallest big city, and it's no wonder. All of these green spaces and cute little houses really make you do feel like you're in a small town, even though you're in a major metropolitan area. Stockholm is sometimes also called the Venice of the North. You can see why, right? Because Sweden is so far north, there's really long summer days here. In the second half of June, it barely even gets dark. So right now we are in the maze in the gardens of the palace.
Drottningholm.
Exactly, I cannot pronounce that.
Drottningholm slot was completed in 1750 and the king and queen still live here to this day.
What's your favorite part about this palace?
I like the gardens. I like the part where it's not so clean cut and with the rolling hills and ponds and ducks that you can feed and have beautiful picnics. I love Sweden because in the summertime the days are super long, so the sunsets are super long, and it's just beautiful. There's a very special quality to the dusk light. Right now we're at the beautiful Stadshuset, Stockholm City Hall. So this is actually where the Nobel Prize banquet is held every year.
So right now we are on a ferry, which is one of the public transportation systems here in Stockholm, and we are going to an island called
Djurgården,
which is going to take us to this open air museum and a little bit of a zoo or something.
Yeah, Skansen, the world's first open air museum. So at Skansen, there's old buildings from all different eras and areas of Sweden, and you can go in them and see how people used to live and have it explained to you by people dressed how they used to dress.
Swedish archipelago, which is a bunch of islands. It's a beautiful place, and this is where Swedes come to get away from the city, which I don't know why they do that, because the cities are just as beautiful with lots of places to swim and hang out. But anyway, it's a lot more secluded here. We are on the island of Grinda, which was a little bit over an hour, maybe like an hour and a half from the city of Stockholm.
There's no people, and you can go swimming and pet sheep.
Archipelago is so beautiful, don't you think, Hanna?
It's gorgeous!
We could just spend all day here, and that's exactly what we're doing.
Oh yeah.
If you enjoyed this video, if this made you want to travel at all, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and that would also motivate me to produce more videos like these. Thank you and enjoy your day.